Hello again, guys. Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Not sure what's happening with the pandemic, but I am still performing repairs. I am COVID-19 safe. Wherever I travel to, I make sure that I have a trusty face covering, whether that's a bandana or an actual N95 face mask, or my gloves. So just wanted to let you guys know that I am being COVID-19 safe. So no worries in having me come out and perform repairs on your vehicle. So I'm still working on all Jaguar XK8, XKR models. Be happy to help you out anywhere from years 1997 through 2016. So pick up the phone, give me a call at 888-317-9340. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.